National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, southwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Lawrence, or near Fountain Inn, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fountain Inn, Woodruff, Gray Court, Ennery, Hickory Tavern, and Simpsonville. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Greenville, Lawrence, and Spartanburg. The National Weather Service